Hello everyone, Shan Saeed is back. I thought I should share my thoughts. What happened yesterday? Bank Negara reduced the OPR rate, the discount rate, by 50 basis point. It was expected, and the market thought Bank Negara would reduce interest rate because the economies are slowing down, not only in Malaysia but also globally. And as of today, 31 central banks have reduced their interest rate. If you pick up today's New Straits Times, my interview is cited and I have shared my thoughts. So what is the macro impact of this lower discount rate? Obviously, when the central bank lowers the discount rate or the lending rate, the commercial banks get more room to lend money to industries, to various sectors, and it brings liquidity into the system. It brings liquidity into the financial markets. So once it brings liquidity into the financial markets, there is momentum that is generated. And at the consumer side, it gives more room for consumers to spend money. At the macro level, again, it is all about consumption. As you know, consumption contributes significantly to the overall GDP equation. And this is what the strategic intent of the central bank is: to maintain growth stability, to maintain price inflation stability, and lastly, to maintain financial stability. So I think it was a good move on part of Bank Negara Malaysia. They have taken into account the macro level outlook, and I think that will provide a boost, and it will support the GDP at the macro level. What is in the store? In the foreseeable future, we see that we are heading for lower interest rate regime, not only in Malaysia but globally. More and more central banks will reduce interest rate in order to spur growth. The only thing that mostly the governments are thinking of right now, how to maintain macroeconomic stability. Macroeconomic stability brings economic confidence. It brings growth stability. So at the end of the day, it's all about growth. It's all about GDP. And the GDP outlook for many economies right now is pretty slow. So I think this is the best strategy the central bank can observe in these challenging times. Moving forward, we see more and more accommodative monetary policy and expansionary fiscal policy coming into the market. So I think monetary policy and fiscal policy, they have become very, very important, and they have taken the central role in these challenging times. See you next time. Thank you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.